guys, this is Autonomy Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Autonomy Mama page. You can also see me on Autonomy Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Thank you. You are welcome. This message, when I want just put for this platform, so I don't want to sit down for here talk. This message goes to Ukinebo. You are free to comment in any platform you please yourself to comment on. You free. Any platform where you like, comment for there. One, not be they carry you come abroad. Two, they don't pay your house rent. These people, when they shout so, they don't fit take care of you. They can't take care of you. They not feel reach your need. You know, say they will say you feel reach my need, waiting I need. They not feel reach am. Then why they shout up and down say, Ukinebo go comment for Lolo platform. If Ukinebo choose to stay in Lolo platform, nobody go feel hold on. Facebook is just days, yes, but those days when you go day one quarrel. When you say that quarrel, people when they not responsible, you go come out for there, you go the one way responsible. If you like, make the person fair fight you before. When I they talk say, Lala with Ukinebo fair quarrel. The place where Ukinebo did before, the person no fair, you know, is certain. Or actually, bonai as soon as they talk. Ukinebo, don't let all those irrelevant women. Don't let them push you around because they are not up to your standard. You know, when we are always the talker. Sometimes I they regret why all those women when they say yes, right from the day, years back, 6 years ago. Now I stood by it. You know get something, you not go get anything. Who gets? You go lie to the brigand. Down, una would like to the orphan, one I know say una no get. I know they get who on pass me, I know the orphan. If I say this woman on pass me, if I reach there, if na business when I will feel follow and do, I follow and do the business, I'll come on there. Why you are welcome, my personal person. Now you say you get comment for Lolo platform. I was there yesterday when that live video take place. She can comment in anywhere she pleases herself to comment on. Who be una for Facebook self? Awagbiwe. Poor people. When people that has money is talking, you people should go and hide your face. If they don't give una all they fit chop. Woman like una go they give una something. Like that Facebook I did. You think if I want to untail many women for Facebook, I don't go fit. I look can say there be women like me. I can't beg you. Why? I don't understand. Now they say, why Ukinebo go there? Why Ukinebo not go comment? What you go make Ukinebo not comment for there? Ukinebo can comment in any platform. Why are you there? How do you know that Ukinebo comment for there if you are not there? You are watching with fake account. Una go screenshot the fake account comment. Wait, make I put the fake account. Why is it that Eliga here wawegbe? Where are you say? Ayada busy. Biba choy. Achanododo. Already a big your one. Achanododo already Georgia. Look at the comment they bring out. This is the comment. Wait, let me zoom it out. This is the comment they bring out. That is sometimes when we say sometimes it's something they pay me. Now no get. And they make mouth. They make mouth. That's why sometimes I they piss up. You don't have enter house. Women women when you arrange their life, they arrange their life well. You don't arrange your life, you they pass up your way. You they find how you want to pass up your way. Now they tell say, why she go? Why she go? See the comment. Now this comment, now Ukinebo comment. This is the comment. When he comment, she will go hide. Because illiterate people through Facebook. She will go and hide herself. She cannot be a woman of her own self. She cannot do things. Then she will be waving. Or she will not stand where women stand put. Because they do frustration live video. She can stay anywhere she want to stay. She can make friend to anybody you want to make friend to. That is why this life, if you get friendship with somebody, know the limit where you go quarrel reach. If you come over quarrel, you cannot do something with that person again. The minute they say now you talk pass. At the end of the day, these women, mama, when you they insult, they better pass your mama. No, she's not. Since she left you people platform, she will just go and hide her face. She will not come to Facebook because a kitten or you want Facebook. The dog that back. She can comment in any place that she pleases her to comment on. Una don't get anything. Every day are they talking? Beggars. Beggar has no voice. Beggar no get voice. I yo bonwau or it's a disgrace now. Don't let you spend. Go and walk with your hand and find something to do. You want to control a woman. You want to control a full woman that earn her salary by herself. She wake up every morning and drive to her working place. She spend hours that she want to spend there. Then the fucking women that is not going anywhere, that just keep themselves in Facebook style. They are coming out. I want to bully her. Tell her to enter house. When I went the adulteress, now see the couple say adulterous woman. How many of you feel here? Are you kidding? When I enter house, when frustration too much. Now I know how to chest and pass. Now I know how to shout back because I went on who. Because sometimes I went out the book it's like everybody Timayari con. What a shit. Can't women why? My people, so Benin women, what is this? Why are you guys putting yourself so low on irrelevant person? It's somebody that cannot make money. Make it go right from time. It be a phone name. Make it go away. Now living a life. Are you kidding? Now you see, say they say lovely. I better pass you. Did you bath? I've never asked 1 naira from anybody one day for my life. Things that I do, I don't ask money. How can I go and just put myself so low? I don't go ask my fellow woman, give me money. Hey, please, God donate for me. Because you are poor. You are poor. It's a disgrace that a fellow woman is dashing you things. You're on there social media, ranting, shouting, looking for somebody that they will come and help you to shout. You ask a matured woman, a woman of her own, that she should not let you come out. What do you have to say? You have been bullying people. You have been saying a lot of things to people's family. At the end of the day, these people, they still live. Are they not still living? Yeah, they do live. Motherfucker, if you don't have anything to do, please pack your life and get inside. You don't make they make ordinary noise, ordinary grounds. What's that? Yes, that is getting too much. My personal person. This is so fucked up. That is something you don't not welcome in community. This community we are today, they're so fucked up. Women, you want to work better. But this one we no fit make her for life. When this one come out for Holland, wait for come out for Holland, I'm not seeing oh yeah, seke. Women will not talk again. When the women decided to stay on their own, you want to bully them. You think you have mouth to talk. You think it's only you want can pump off. You just raise ordinary doors. Olane. You can never make it. When mother only about 25 years, now you there for abroad. The people you collect it from, you still jealous then. What kind of shit is this? What's your problem? Why they egg every day? Why they egg? Why they lie to the egg? Why they fool yourself? If somebody decided to leave you, let that person be. You let that person go. And stop this. You are nobody. A responsible woman don't behave the way you are. You are coming out to attack responsible women. You are there. You are irresponsible. Are you not the one that come on social media and tell people that you are a lesbian? Are you responsible? Are you well responsible? Mumu, enter house. Did you look your head to your toe? Where go who wear seminar? I they come. So patient all day. No patient when you want to run this show. There is no patient. No patient. No. Let Ukinebo not talk again. As Ukinebo left you, Ukinebo will still left Facebook as well. She will not. Everybody love Facebook. Everybody will love Facebook. Nobody can stay without no Facebook. You must check it. Sometimes when you see people is not there, they still find something where they say, I don't want to use Facebook, they disturb that thing. When they tackle it, when they are done with it, they come back to Facebook. That is a place where we be sometimes. We fight and negotiate together. You just want to be there. Oh, Ibobo. You are nobody. When I was telling them that this woman, she's nobody. She don't have anything. She's so fucking poor. Oh, not poor. Now you're saying, if you touch me, if you touch me, oh, you do not hand of fetting no say you no be anything. Uwemi, you move from one small house to another small house, one piccolo to piccolo to piccolo all the time, one small place to another. How you take grow when you move from one small place to another small place? Did you grow up like that? When people still did their carbon. A person that always moves from one house to another house, on my désir, you are still roaming in the air. What say you roaming in the air? I get money past you. You want to go somewhere? I get money past you. Yeah? You are, if you move now, people they say where they move, they go now one kind palazzo like that. At the end of the day, where you go move, go be like DC. I don't understand. Huh? So she will not do live video again. Anything you know about her, say it. Then we are here at Tawamakata. What do you have to say again? You have already split it. Let it go viral. She's not hiding anymore. I wish Ukinebo is hiding. The first live video, Ukinebo is not coming out to do the first live video. She don't hide anymore. What's your business? Who do you think you are? Because irrelevant bull, fowl, and dog that they clap for your stupidity. There's something that you left. You are still coming back again. Anybody that left you, you want to bust. Anybody that left you, you want to bust. What are you guys saying? Most live video presenter, what kind of opinion do you guys think that is valuable? At this moment, your opinion is not valid. Because why? You cannot tell a matured woman, as I've been a person got to say, lovely, do this one. Are you crazy? Do you pay my bills? All the time, one thing. Oh, wait. Look at your background. Nobody is praying to live in that your background. You just a maneuver all the time, maneuver. You they tumble, they fall, they tumble, they fall, they tumble, they fall. Is it not this Ukinebo clothes you wear one certain time? A woman that you have already wear the clothes that she wear. Ukman when your 130 time a party. Now Ukinebo na you get the cloth. Is she not the owner of that gown you wear? After they mock you with the gown, you wanted to off people off. You put on the gown. You are using it to rub this. See this. Showing. Did you see that gown is a second-handed gown? They have worn before. All the time. Who do they talk to? Now people went enter road yesterday, now they talk to. I've been a matured women when be say they make money. I've been at the one way poor, the way when you take poor. There is nothing good about you. Nothing. Nothing good about you. What are you going to bring out as a mother? Say or now where you relaxing. I went out here you with this thing now where you they fucked up too much. Somebody go to Lolo platform and chat there. She can chat in any place then she want to chat. Are you her mother? Did you relate to her? You be one of his siblings. When person know they hear what they get. Now this is getting too much. Look at what she's saying. That she's bringing the lady mothers on Facebook. You have been bringing people mother on Facebook. Walk me. What do you have to say? Only waiting. You know the husband has. He don't find married, no stay. He married a second time, no stay. His husband don't leave her. He don't show you. Is it not the same cook and boot story? It's the same word. Same. Same word. That is bullshit. Go and find something to do. Go do black job. You are just crazy. You are just crazy all over the globe. You are just crazy. How do you do it? How do you do it? Just to eat in your stomach? You will feel crazy first. Just to eat food where you go eat. You just crazy first before you can be able to eat. You will feel crazy. Man, you're crazy. Nobody will not know how to crazy. But it's not necessary when you are a mother. No, she will not comment again. Because it is another year when you go bring the come. That year has passed. People ready to run you. Chubataya. Oh, too much in Wegbe. Did you have reserve? I've always told you. Learn how to have reserve. You don't have reserve. We're not tired again. I want to when one can talk saying now one kind something when they never see before. We're not tired. Can't talk. I want to listen. What you did there? Nothing. Good evening, my personal person. Nothing. Off. Get off. Go and look for a black job to do. You come with fake things, fake life, fake product, fake, everything is fake document, fake house, everything is fake. At the end of the day, you see they stagger, they go. Or an over the DNA, or a stagger. Sat illiterate. You don't have brain. You don't have brain. Only what you just know. Echo work back. You don't have respect. You can never have respect because the way you do it, you don't have respect. Before you start to tangle some women sometime, this is a fellow woman like me. No, you don't do that. You never do that. You always feel say you get what's here people that don't have. If they blow Sari today, she don't have. For Facebook, now she they suffer pass. Now she poor pass. And they talk all the time. Now she they poor pass. Settle down. If you settle down, find something to do. All this, they come for you. I can't beat you. I'll do this. You will be saying all this. Everything is fake. House is fake. A property where they put for ground, fake. Everything is cheap article, AliExpress product. If you not go with your wire, AliExpress, or to AliExpress, or Wortoworto. Now, he literally they talk say, if they do it. What did they do? Oh, why we here? Oh, while the government where you use and can't fool yourself on Facebook. You when government give on social house, which Ukinebo when they earn salary, they pay house rent. Do you ever make it with money that government is giving you? You stay here. Here when you stay, every month, now I say they give you 50 euro because of Igbese. Every week. You are just nobody. Nobody. No, she will not come out. She left you. Let her just go off Facebook. She's not coming on Facebook again. Ma, I'm not coming. I have misunderstanding with Monica. I'm not coming back again. Let her just off. She have all the whole right, every right to comment on any place that she want to comment. She's not afraid of you guys. I wish Ukinebo is afraid of you guys. She will not use her own account. If this account is her account. Even if this account is not her account. At this moment, Lolo, don't take her. Who want die, may die. If you want to bust. Yes. Sometimes they be like that. Who are trying to get on money, man. You want to get little misunderstanding before you go there. That's what they be. That's what they be. You go they do person shege. You don't want me person do you shege. That is your problem. You hurt people, you don't want people to hurt you. Yeah? That is your problem. When you choke somebody, when you choke hand for person, and you don't want me person choke hand for your eye back. You have to bear it. Anything you see there, take it. Who are you? When people leave your platform, look at this girl. Waiting that they call her that girl when they France. Yeah, robot. Yeah, Sato Watie. That one fed the Facebook. Oh, fed they do because you know they this thing. How many people you go fit fight? No, it's getting too much. No, it's getting too much. Okay, John, no. Let's forget about this one is not a wife product. Let's forget about it. Let's forget about it. You think say if not that grand like this one day, therefore don't keep this one throw away now. She for not they commit this nuisance because now inside her house, then actually they commit nuisance for inside her house. What is that? A woman of Ukinebo cannot do anything that she want to do because that she first met one illiterate and arrogant fool. This woman, she's a lunatic. She dance every music that comes to her way. She dance with it. You are a fucking lunatic. What kind of a beast of a woman is this? You're just an animal that has no amateur way. Must you always wait? Even you say na money now you won't make for them, say maybe you respected baby. Now everywhere night thief the thief. Eke yale oju wa say ya oju na do media. Some thief they go thief finish. If they work out, say I bet this when I tell so this will not be anything. I beg. Anywhere when you just reach, anybody that left you, the person will be in bondage. Why? How the person go take be bondage? Who be you? You know they sit down for me or look yourself. See belly when you carry come out that day. You are so depressed. Your belly, see, I don't know what you carry for belly. Can't you go and walk on that stomach? Did you know that you are sick? No, you don't have time. You don't have time. You want to bully everybody that comes to your way. Even bully, don't bully everybody that comes to you. Won't walk by who were no. Why is it one always break? Who will break? Who will break? Wow, Ukinebo, why will you go to Lolo platform? What are you guys? Can you guys listen to yourself? You both should listen to yourself. This is a woman of her own self. A woman that pay her bills by herself. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to just bring those women down? The women will be say they better person now. Now they live useless fake life. Irrelevant fake life. You cannot, this woman, she, right from time, she go say, na me better pass you. When she they come out with something, when she take better pass you, the something no dey market. Irrelevant. See the time when, the one when they Belgium, when you go, they say, na in kitchen, you want bring come out. Now, so that one thought to say, you don't want again. You carry that one. You they use that one till they do saga. What is your problem? Why? They're not the hustle like this. If you need money, enter street. If you need money, enter street. No. What one you go now is street. Where do you get heart? I they get heart. If you need money, go Niger, go swallow something con. If you discharge that, they'll give you 10,000 euro. If you know say you know they fear anybody. If you go 5 times, you don't get 50,000 euro be that. No, if you say they need money, are you they bend down low for where people they beg them money. When they will give you finish you because you know how to they shout for Facebook. You want to use Facebook because they cover your disgrace. Beggar. Your beggar is so stink. When they beg a beggar, where we have a yard, they don't buy a beggar. Everything they buy you is messed up. Man, get a fuck. Try to go back to school. You need a little bit of education. Because the way you are doing, no. This is not good. I hope anybody that want to depart from you now, I think that one now, after Ukinebo, now that one you can't beat again. Anybody that left you, you must do saga. If this one left you, you must do saga. If that one left you, you must do saga. If this one leave you, you must do saga. Now, so if I do that, you got to do it for record. If Lovely just come out for me, you go just come out for Lovely. You don't baff, I be your age mate. You don't know your age mate. Because they want kill you that year. They want follow you, they want kill you. I think say you don't change like a normal human being. I don't say now beast way, be say it still remain a beast. Toilet fly. A weird thing. Anybody want just wrong, come. Anybody want just say no want again. Because people they shame. People they shame of you. People that they shame. Anybody want just people supposed to they shame of you. You know see the day when this girl Meg, you know see the day when they Italy. When they Italy, when they video. You know see waiting one woman they talk for background. So oh my God, sometimes a fellow woman like me go come to say, Lovely, shut up. Do not they talk. Unless I no one answer you. It's too much. Ukinebo, when Ukinebo wa be mature say. Ha, now wow, how can I illiterate? Now you go come they talk to traits. Are you kidding? This you over. They find money too much. You go last so. Where did Tommy? You go last. Why they find money? Hey. Thank you for 5 star. Thank you for 2 star. Oh my God. If you call, you're gonna tell say, yes, I be big woman. Nothing when they your body, when be say, remove one for your body, how much it be? If you too dear, 15 euro. See her when they your hair. Look at her. No, nice offer. Even just come on makeup, she cannot control her makeup. People when use stress down, the one that use stress down that time they do makeup. People when come to even watch you now later, they come out, go see their makeup today. The makeup, everything they buy you is shine. No, it don't be like I don't understand. It be like common rubber when great grandmother take plate away. Now so it be. It be like Momo rubber toy when great grandmother take plate away. Now so it be. You can only control your makeup, nothing, your eyebrows, you can't control it. Any here is nyama. Ha! Uneducated bitch. Where you are my school? Where my school naive I actually wegenya illiterate we he naive stupidity. Memwe weko down. The women when you dey true they is so safe. Save those women want come chase you. Stand to stand. I will stand to stand. Let's come. You go feel me ziggy. You why it is ziggy? Where it is ziggy? Yeah, she look like a Momo rubber ni ale grandmother yaku kurie fuageni. This is how it look like. She can't control. There is nothing she control on her body. Anything no control. She cannot do her makeup well. She cannot do her blouse well. Nothing. Look at her hair when person put for hair. She go come and she go to say, she get money. I got money. I got money. No one find hair. When you reach 200 euro for your head. No. An attachment. You are so picks up. You are so naive. You are so foolish. She's so foolish. How can Ambrose want to take good? When Ambrose carry this one, how this one not fit kill somebody when he go school career? This can kill somebody when he go school career. How? And then this one when don't even they kill children when don't they grow they come, don't they kill their career. Just the children when just they grow they come, they kill their career. Now so you go do now you kill your children career. At the end of the day, your children will use this thing, they sit down, they do live video. You are so full of stupidity. Oh, adult delinquent, you know, we can't wow. Oh, I tell no to you want tear sky. You go feed. If not be saying na grand night that day, your face for don't fall for bottle. People go they stab you. A whole woman of her own, she cannot come on Facebook. You are welcome, my personal person, Vera. The 12 oh, too much, baby. This is not good. This is ridiculous. This is not good. It's painful. The woman, she don't want you again. Let her be. If you like, let her call on my platform. Let her call on Iviero platform. Let her call on any platform. Let her call in anybody. Esther platform, Monica, VRTA. Even your platform, when she call in, nobody they ask and say why she call you in. Because it's a live video. No, now you that they watch. You know what I say? Your fake account people. Now then they watch me. They're not gonna comment. Because I know say I don't already give them say this is my platform. Here is my platform. Now my territory, now you did. I don't know you don't know me. This is part of my Facebook. When you do anything, I'm going to delete your comment. I don't keep their comments. What total? Yeah, and now me all the of you as they watch. Now me all the of you as they watch. You just stand say 1 week. You not do saga. You not tell person. You not say lovely enter house. That one enter house. Gladys go peace. Stella and go do this one. Not tell person whether who go watch you. Nobody go watch you. 3 to 4 months ago, your platform, you go dead there. Nobody they watch you. And they watch, and they look all of them and they go do video. If you do video, 3 days, that video will still do 2.something K. Because nobody when you they follow do saga. They have left you. There is nobody you are doing saga with. Only what you think that you want to use it to boost yourself. You're hungry when you're hungry. Now to bring Ukinebo to your doorstep. Because of the people when they follow me. This woman, you cannot put this woman for meeting. Or when I can go too. You cannot put this woman for meeting. She's so foolish. When you this kind of person, if he see you for ground, he go mate. This kind of person, a camera in now. Hey, if I see you, I don't record you. You record me now. Camera, now for the fly. Before you do one, they don't leave bottle for your face. Who done? Frustrated bitch. I can mama, ure let down and do mama. Ure say London, umayema. Ekenuke pale let down or ye wear native doctor hats, native doctor shrine for cash fire. Oh wait, oh what you don't change and also I pack. Since when you did this Facebook, how many times she don't pack load? She dey live for one small chicken place they go. Small chicken place they go because she's not working to get a money to pay for a big house. Because she want to live luxurious life, but she's so fucking lazy, fucking bitch. Okay, the one that time when they give her house for Leatherland, As he do that house rich, they don't know how the bedroom be, everywhere be. Now so he make checking. He still come on for there, he don't come. As he see say, yes, friend, that one. Don't leave him for Holland. He don't come. As he don't come, now see small house. He still stay for small house. Quickly, you know they fly, they perch for one place. They perch for one place. You know they fly high. Try to fly high. Try make you fly high. High. No, they don't. Oh, what? You know they make pien like I am no. When they practice how to fly, pien from one piccolo house to another piccolo house, from another piccolo house to another piccolo house. You cannot even find a good place. One yekele place to one yekele place. People go they talk say, now she get money pass on Facebook. Who they live that kind of life when she they live? All that video present that they get big house. They know they move their property. They know they carry check for here tomorrow. Next tomorrow they'll go put cupboard for Joshua. If they say the cupboard, they give the inconvenience for inside how they go carry out, they go through winner. Or siku. Or siku. Oh, we're not well. Oh, we're not well, well lovely. Now nylon bag, now they go carry. He use nylon bag, carry the money, go give seller. Portrait. I portrait the DC, because they read news. Like, say, people when you buy house, and so they take they read news. Lovely, I say, see me. Come, make I read the news for you. I say, hey, tell me I take portrait the house. Wait. This is the dirty fake life person when I never see for my life. She will come with fake. She will still debunk her fake. Because why? She took the tay for fake life. Oh, the people when be say that there's a lot of those that picture. Now when you plan no who talk be my man. You too talk like. Her fake life is so fucking dirty. Who won't live that fake? People don't want to live that your life. Nobody want reduce. As I did now, I can't take myself down. Can't they say I want to pack my golo house? When be say the bed when they this my house for almost 2014. Now this bed did this house. 2014. How many years be that one? It day where it day. I know they change up and down. Property the day where they day. Oh, I know one comfortable. Now they change property up and down. Now they change property. You are not they comfortable. You not they comfortable. To we manage. You want to belong. Go swallow something. I show you name lolo. Wasi London. Wakisuwa if you shit all of them. Now money. Now you they shit. Welcome my love. Now money you they shit. Yeah. But you share sit down for Facebook. Even the live video presenter, when be say they come for Facebook, their house was not okay. Go see the way when they take clean their house round. See, I ain't clean no one no here. Their house was, yes. Some people did. They learn how to come clean, maintain their house, arrange their house. Because not be everybody just get that time. All the live video presenter, the junior one will come. Go see them. He ain't arrange one no here. He ain't change any. You will carry your come for small house. See pack load, go small house. See come for the second small house. See go the third house, small house. Everything they buy you now, small. Get wings. Your you get nowhere my lasse. Your wings never grow. You see the auto when not come here. How do they motivate? Even people went from Lakbaduza enter house, they better pass you. People went from Lakbaduza enter house. In 5 years' time, now they go get passport. In 5 years' time, people went really serious for their documents. So some of them don't get katas or journal. In 5 years' time, now they don't get passport. Who you they motivate? Like me now, you can't say you want to motivate me. You they tell you don't bath. Eh? They told you where you now. If I have a dog in my house, memu ye kita hu. This woman not just get one. Okay, this woman will say, hey, I dey do this. I dey say for Facebook. Una know they say. I dey say you my hair. Una know they say. There is some people, when you face them, they say, human hair for Facebook. You don't see where the dummy of hair, dummy hair go full and from one. Then they come to sell hair. Then from sewing, later they don't come to sew again. All the time we say you finish baby. My girlfriend you are you see they cut it baby. What it motivate? Since when we were here too, you for supposed to get your own small fabrica like that. Wear hair day. Cause on fake one you they say now. Fake one. Although she can never all the hair where they done 20 inches. I 22 inches. We no way to say I will let the door vat now. We are here a vat. 22 inches hair. And you want to do a vat. Now just say you who ladian. 22 inches hair. This woman we know here to say you know get 28 inches hair. Or what just it tell. Why are you like this? She goes, now you put this comment, come out. You put this comment, come out. Gullible. You with that woman, who they gullible pass? Eh? In your way that lulu, now so you do. How? And then okay that home I catch a man and Jimmy with that boy. Only me no say carry that cane. We was a dog boy. We was a doctor. When the doctor bed here cane. Wait till day your belly. You don't leave am for there. See the one when you show carry come out that day. Depression. You they overwork. Woman they overwork. Even woman when they fabric said they know they overwork. They know they over labor themselves. Look at your life. Now people start to they leave you. Why Ukinebo can't they pay you? When you last year, when you want start to they call they fool yourself, people left you. People left you. Why you can't be saying now Ukinebo? Why you don't come bring all those one called the Sagara? I be mad they count people when leave you that I they count them. This I don't know them. I know them well. Me I call they count them. I should be counting them for you. The people that left you last year. You even cry out on Facebook that people left you. You cried out. Okay, why did you bring those people on board? Why did you saga those people? Is it only Ukinebo that left you? Why is it Ukinebo? No man so person when better pass you. Somebody that you wear dress. When I joy, you call yourself a woman. Ukinebo go they talk. You assistant they talk. And the if you are not you they find something where you want to take care of yourself. Joy. Now you carry, you wear. You know the shame. You wear and finish. You they bagoo with it. As they come zoom and come. I can't say the clothes. You don't tell when they use and take go party. All the old thread when they all of them come push, come out. Nonsense. Oh. They bring something come. Now you don't read my bed like that. Come on, man. The bed is smooth. Yeah, I didn't drink it like that. Thank you, bed. You drink it too much. Huh? Nonsense. Oh, wait, yeah, I got this one. I got money. I got it down. Huh? See, now wait. Person say make I order for her. Now it be this one so. Yeah. Person say make I order for her. If you not come use check, come sit down, come dey share for Facebook, you know we know say we ourselves, we know those when they take they make money. Eh? The rest people, why you no go breed them come? Look at the way when you just put this thing for the hair. See the comments. When who do they show comment? Who are you showing comment? Even this what you just did now. Are you going to tell me that the people when they watch you, they will accept of this nonsense thing that you just did? Nobody will accept it. Even if they now fool, now foolish people and they do things together. A real mature woman that have her own brain, they will say, oh, maybe Nancy can be me. Now Ukinebo na one saga, so Nancy can be me. They will not get. They know they talk say they want get they thank God that they don't get freedom from Monica handle. Which freedom? Wow. She's too jealous. You don't want somebody, or somebody don't want you. It decide, where as a woman, that they look person choose as a friend. Now look in the bowl, you see. You don't see the rest people. The rest people that left you last year, you know as they say where they dey now. Most of them they dey with Lolo for there. They dey with Lolo. Even when una saga, small saga una do inside last year. Some people they write for Lolo comment. Yeah, I was with you then. You block me. You block me. You block me. You block me. Because they say sorry, sorry, sorry. No. You get say you get what when you want talk. I beg you. She not just she don't get job any. Not those women when you they follow talk. They know they go sit down for AliExpress. In you AliExpress. They know they wear AliExpress earring with the chain. Where am I saying? One chekele room to another chekele room. One chekele room to another chekele room. One small apartment to the smallest one. The smallest one to the little apartment. And when I or when change. You know plan your life. When I at this age, 25 years in abroad, you see they pack from one house to another, one house to another, one house to another. Because why? You not plan your life well. See comment when he right. You could have ignored the comment. People were that platform yesterday. People did that platform yesterday. You could have ignored the comment. If you be that woman where be say you they ignore, you say all the nonsense things that they do, and they ignore the nonsense things. Why you don't come ignore this one? Well, share because now your ex-friend platform. Now you go put this comment. Ona gele here where we be. Una so I they settle you with your mama. You be that family member when you want settle with your mama. Liar. Everything when she want come talk for this person body, Ukinebo, all of them are lie. She too they talk lie. Yes, many people get sense my personal person. Yes. Yes. Now so if I do when they beat out that time, they wallon, they saw that J boy. Now because Mona leave this boy. Mona how they toss me they go bring this boy DNA test. If they pay for body, she feel say I dare with her. What I want to do with you? I just want to say no, it's too much. Now is a girl. If Lovely just started me, I could just start to Lovely. You me with you. I don't hook you for this live video. I don't hook you. I hook you for live video. You are welcome. I hook you. You don't bath. If I don't bath, be again no go. You are so fucked up. You're all too much. Anybody that left you, that person, you want to gauge that person. This place is not a witchcraft oven. You cannot gauge anybody here. Do you people take oath that anybody that don't want to follow you again, it must be on your custody? Did you sign any agreement with that? Anybody that is just, they left you, you begin to fight. The one that left you last year, how many did you fight? The other time, you people were disgwangwari, Mama Sato, that one when he did, when he did France. Now, so your commenters fed they insult that woman. Me, I know say that woman, she insult me that year. But when it's still rich, which kind human being be these people? Why they waiting this person feel fair it with us? What kind of animal do you take as friends? One are called useless like this. See, if not be say me with you 5 days before, I for not just agree. I for not just agree. Wana ka de nyan ijo sato no France. Wana ka bule ni una kon de bullian. You people you were bully that woman after Mama Sato who again. It can't be Ukinebo. After Ukinebo now, who is going to be next? Mama Sato. That is what they did to that woman. I don't say that woman insult me because of her that year. The woman, she was thinking that this woman he get brain. You know, say this woman no get brain. Nothing that this woman brain. Oh, no, you name nothing correct for this woman head again. That's why they first bully that woman last year. Now that one get up. Now that one bully them back. Because anybody that with you, when it's time for you, it's time for you people to leave this vagabond. Do not be afraid of her. When she bully you people on your Facebook, bully them. We are going to support you. Yes, I don't care. Maybe you people, you have insulted me before, because this animal is enough. That space, we will suffocate you. We will suffocate you. Any woman when say you want to bully, my dear, she's nothing but a rat. She moved from one small house to another. One small house to another. She's not large. She jealous people that is large more than her. Anybody, this woman come. If he cut life from her body, mama cut life for her body too. This one where everywhere seke. Now you they talk. Now you they capacity say adulterous. Person don't come out that yet to say you the force him to enter bed. You took your hand, your leg for inside your bekus. Reach today, you talk about it. When it's time for your own case to be fitter and arranged, what do? You can't talk over her. You people don't have rights. You don't have right to tell me to come and do this. So people have rights. If you say it, you have right to send people to come and bring something for you. But when it's your turn, you don't. People, nobody have rights. Then you poke nose into people's affair. But you don't want people to poke nose into your affair. Did you see how stupid you are? Because you are not going to change. That is why you don't want people to poke nose. Not be now you tell me what I want to do. And you want to where they call this guy Ukinebo. And you want to tell Ukinebo how you want to do when Ukinebo wajeni. Ha na wow. So they fit to reduce women. As Ukinebo just did so. You just reduce Antono Basiro. She no go talk. Who be you? You will be beggar. Beggar. Huh. Go for big bad thing. Now, so you want to that time, oh. Now they go, I don't know where. I propose the Godfather go see the video bring come. I don't know where. They say that for their comment section there, now they go to talk say, you want to go chest lovely? You want to go chest lovely? You they talk. People, sometimes, and we just say, make we just keep quiet. May we not too, they say, bang, 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 bang. You not rich. Go and face your colleague, your ex, they will tell you. Leave Ukinebo, go and face your ex. If you can hit your ex, did you see the character he used on people? That was the character she wanted to use on her friend. She don't know say her friend a conny person. When you discharge your bullet finish, you left with no bullets. As your friend, they go to you now. It's like, now Ukinebo, now you want to take cover. And that one still they come for you in the evening. But I tell that one may enter platform. I when I don't analyze a video no where. A video no go analyze. A video get analyze. Ora tikayo tokwan. Ora so. I got money pass you. 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 I buy a cash. I buy a cash. I ain't get at it. Accusation no go ni emi na accusation no go ni 200 euro. Where that shown now you go see the house for grant. Say that house na 200 euro. The right hand for boss say this house is 200 euro. That house if I don't come on for there long time ago. She's so stupid. Sometimes we are swallowing saliva. Sometimes just say me saliva or get me oh. So Ukinebo reach. I really love what happened here. I love it. I love it. If Ukinebo should switch, go to Lolo. I love it. So that you will know how to respect the little one you have now. Learn how to respect the little one. Maybe if you still have the little one you have now, learn how to respect them. Because if they still leave you, They must still come somebody platform. When they leave you, when you think say that they go, they enter house. Who tell you? They don't enter house. They change fake account. Then they give you Wortoworto. Okay, for your mind, say, if they just leave you, they enter house. Ukinebo will shock you now. It shock you. Other people, they don't just want to follow you, they talk. Ukinebo will shock you. Nobody have rights. If somebody offend you, you can forgive that person. If Ukinebo go to Lolo, or Lolo go to Ukinebo, they can forgive themselves. No problem. If you should forgive somebody, the other people, they will forgive other people. If Ukinebo go there with Lolo, let the woman be. If you come Sagara man, I go make an okon they where Lolo day. You know what? You don't try to use your brain so that when people left you, they will come back again. Agwansuwe, they know they come back again. That road will just close. You do the close road too much. You go Lolo to platform. You go the comment for Lolo platform. You go Lolo platform. You go the comment for Lolo platform. Oh my God. As mature as that woman is, that woman, she is so fucking mature. My dear sister, do not give a space to this lunatic of a woman right on you because she's too small. She's too small. This lunatic, this no, Shodori Yeke. You when they talk about person husband, your husband, you people, you are not husband and wife again because you are divorced for land. Did Ambrose meet up? Did you allow Ambrose to meet up? You never allow Ambrose to meet up. You be heard when they make husband come when they chop for table before you begin, they chop for ground. Begin to they chop for ground. The women when they say, now say your husband can't live on. Now say your husband can't do. Now say your husband can't do. You not fair live Ambrose. Wama cast Ambrose here. You not live Ambrose. You not live Ambrose. How divorce take come? As you not live Ambrose, how divorce take come? Nothing when they favor you. Now you go find what they worry you. Now you marry. You divorce, enter social. Marriage no favor you. Social no favor you. Ordinary boyfriend, he no still favor you because Ambrose is your baby papa now. Baby papa no still favor you. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? I get away you make woman say, make it ready come out, make it go party. Where the women stand, you go stand for there. And they go carry tester. Now I tested gold, now I tested diamond. Some women when you see stand, if they see test their gold, their own gold go see gel. Your AliExpress. Oh, where you going? You this lunatic, Facebook lunatic. You are crazy. You are a babu. Why you a babu not frustrate? It's getting too much of you. Wow. Now this one make her say, I beg, I don't want to follow this woman do saga again because she's so annoying. Can say no, I get it wegenya. Nothing. What's any now? You know, no failure now. This failure. Why they follow the failure? They do saga say, you know that she be failure. You be this failure. Well, my work be where team we failure now. Man, no one work be man we failure. I tell her 2 years ago. I tell her say if you no stop this thing, if I come out for you, you no go like her. Everywhere go red. They bonjour. You go fit chase me. You get money. You get money. The time when I bring you out that year, I filter you. You. When you go out of me, what did they tell you? They tamage. They say not reach that woman there. Not be all those women when you they fight so. At the end of the day, when you come Facebook, what you call the tell Facebook? She be my show. They say she pack many guests come. She they carry this one. She they pack Hollandis, put for inside fridge. Not be that one you can't take off the saga when I want follow you saga. You don't bath. Agbinwe. Cause a person just say because I heard the Facebook say, let me just discuss. I don't want follow na the chest. You can't feel say you get. You get. Why you shout? Why not little thing when be say people don't use throw away? That you they shout for. He want talk one. He get one video when he do. He say, lovely. He say he call her say make I come on iPhone Ambrose. Wait till I tell you. I say I will use Ambrose as a fish. I will put Ambrose for hook. I will use and take fish, big fish, come on for river. I tell you just back. Can Ambrose come? May I help you? May I help you take off and bath? If Ambrose they come your house, you don't go no again. Because why? He don't give you body see finish. You don't give her body see finish. I make say una life no green move again. Like as Ambrose say, lovely. Kala say make you not touch, make you not look my Ambrose. For your mind, you know say Ambrose no be my taste. It can never be my taste. That Ambrose, when everybody say Ambrose, or well, okay, Ambrose the Joe, that Ambrose, carry me go give woman when responsible, not like you, not be woman when gog. He go help you arrange that man. If they bring that man come out, they will say before the time when they with Monica, now when another woman take care of her, you yourself go say so you just get time, just let this man life like that. Oh my God, lovely, not look Ambrose. Lovely, not look Ambrose. If I open my pekus for ground, Ambrose not go feed Jack. Eti Jack because of boy go. You know see my brother hand yesterday. Ugboloko pari kewo boy ugboloko. We want that man. Which one that one will feel follow woman sleep. That one heart is full of smoke. Now Ambrose go chop bitter leaf soup. Now he go smoke it, but drop bitter leaf soup. Did you know what in bitter leaf cote? Pepper soup. Or pepper soup. How can somebody sigbo finish or you go chop bitter leaf soup? You go see chop pepper soup. How your body they hot. No sorry, big. And that's all that they do. Once you just waka commode, so no, there is you know what? I don't know. People don't really know her. Let me just drop this video. You get what I want quickly do for you. Let me call person when you get this thing. You know the problem when she get. When I see that year when the day na wish come out, Comfy say one saga me. I chest and go to one for inside toilet where she belong to because she be toilet fly. She come to say my girlfriend. See what my girlfriend talk. See what my girlfriend talk. I don't mind her. Because my girlfriend is my girlfriend. If person just live where Monica day, Monica will want just die. So you expect say if these people leave you, they go enter house. Oh, no. Many women, when una day say una hide, my sisters, waladian egbisan, we are ready to chase this woman. We don't find the chest her. How many people they attack her now? Are they attack her? Or all of it they attack her? Just now they waka they come. I see say Mama Vie Roger attack her. This is what she did to Mama Vie Roger that year. But Mama Vie Roger later go to Lolo, tell Lolo, say please forgive me. Now wait Mama Vie Roger talk because she was just doing those things. You know, say this woman a useless woman. She used Chelsea down called the bully Mama Vie Roger. You know they even get reserve self. You don't have reserve. Now make you they fall apart. You they live in this yesterday. Now 20 euro now you carry go market. As stupid as you are, go do 20 euro shopping. Now you come Facebook because they say yellow speaker. And you see this yellow this is sticker. If I check for my area, all the yellow sticker half price. If I buy and finish, I go enter bus. I'll go another city. You see, go find yellow sticker. Now, so you'll find yellow sticker, find yellow sticker, find yellow sticker. You know the time when you come reach let down land. Can you imagine? Well, not where you be rich woman. You dey find yellow sticker. 1 euro. 50 cents. And they 20 euro. Now you can't see the iron. Yeah, you iron the 20 euro for. It be like say you no quick see that video. that video when this second lady Asaboro with Ukinebo do. It be like say she no quit tell her. Now call her tell her. You know, so those callers, if they want to fool you, disgrace you. Yeah, we get you disgrace. Not the caller when they call you, eh? Not be all of them like you. They won't make you blow. If you wear a the people will come, they'll come collect them for your hand. Okay, Esther beat her too. Okay. You know, Esther beat her too. Yes. As caller just call her. Now just the shout, this thing, receipt, I not buy my own, I not bring receipt. You buy car, you get money to buy car. Now rent you they rent that car, man. Now rent you they rent her. Now rent. Why the car not carry you go do shopping yesterday? Don't ask her. Why the car not carry you go do shopping yesterday? If they want come and come show now, they'll quickly go rent car, bring and come. She get car. This one get money to buy that car. This woman and I fool. This woman don't get anything. It just they make mouth. She can't use less Ambrose. At the end of the day, Nana, she can't carry bodies of Ambrose. Or I could go for a Facebook or make it for a Facebook. You go use and take do one thing. At the end of the thing no go the thing no go get head. All your mates, they use money to they buy documents. When my TV, you go the document. Oh, wow, that night they say lovely, not there. Lovely, she can't lie. Lovely, if na Nigeria passport you get, bring a my proof visa. If na this thing you get, you my passport you get, bring a my proof visa. Say see a way, you they pass on Pia Road. I know they pass on Pia Road, and they pass straight road. A straight road. Voila, when you go favor me. You can't pass up your road later, you can't go back. Pass up your road again. Go back. Yesterday she used hand drag. If now that person when you get car, use that one now. So they say she get car. Yeah, yesterday she used hand to drag back home house. If now that person now, you will get car, you drag home. No quick car. If not, you have your rent. And take it or you leave it. Now rent that they rent that car. Why you know the fees did not buy again? She don't know say that car when she carries anyway when she did that car get camera. You don't know that car. It get camera. That car when you carry so that they control. I once rent a car. Something happened before you know. The people can't carry the car. As you read there, we don't see the car when I rent again. They call the company. The company say yes, they can't carry the car because it passed the hours when we take rent the car. They can't pick her. That plate number. Oh my area, you work, but if you work with me now, custom number become this thing equal for inside boot. Rubbish. This one get money to do something. This woman no go fit. You know if he make her gay. Atie bonona. E konorona. That belle we me bodo. Vare koni. What did that belle? I don't know. If you even choose people for that belle no go less so. We are doing now the pin your the belle no go less. Lie. Esa gen can have na ye koni re. E koni you know we koni. Is strong where. If tell her me push and go inside, push on like this. No, if he push on, go inside. She no get what she take good. She dey insult people. She will wear body trainers. Or you go come kino. You go come be like robe. You go come go hang for wear bra. Then sometimes you go go wear waist day. Now why? Because you just go commit, you blow. Because she go meet Asaboro, you blow. Now two people now she dey against now. She dey against Ukinebo because he coming for Lolo platform. He dey against Asaboro because Asaboro enter Ukinebo car. Because your character go make people run from you. You can't deal with this kind of person. Man, you go realize on me say, no, my father didn't brought me up like this. Coco, who coco this woman? Look at the day when carry his son come out. His son be like Mala when they say, when he carry tray, when they say sugar cane. When we useless, he say, your son, you don't see cloth when you wear, go check this thing. The real one when you want to sell sugar cane for Aunsa land. You go dress. Now so, tray when they sell sugar cane. When we one jebwe ladian. Oye Aunsa no hockey sugar cane. Aunsa no hockey carrot. You reduce yourself, you disgrace yourself. Even the children, when God they bless you, you they disgrace them. Very useless woman. Abe, my people, may I leave this thing? Ukinebo, this one too small. You yourself know say this one a toilet fly. This is too small. If he talk to you, leave one. Many live video presenter they come, make they come takon. They go help you. They don't tell you say put money for my account. This one are free. I don't tell say Ukinebo, I better take my this thing, put money. No, I don't feel ask fellow woman like me money. We they can't do one free. You okay, I can't vibe. You know you're going way ou value or pia because a conny no need knife again. He need to uhawa. Now battle ass. Now they will take tear down your belly. Oh zuo. She's told to intimidate himself. She will say she want to intimidate people. At the end of the day, she go see saying herself she they intimidate. Yes, she told her intimidate herself. This is intimidation to you, not other people there. Because you know good. Now she they call them mock people. If she want come, she want make it they insult me. Your pikin just come on AliExpress slippers. No wear your kere or you wear your way. When they go service on when my devour. You want to come there lovely. You shoot a picture and see come out. You shoot a is this if you got on that one, I say, get out. Well, you even know we are, you go hide your small boy. Well, you go hide your small boy. Well, no, now me to be this. Now me to the run shoulder to shoulder. I tell you that day. My daughter, it did 17 years. The first Balenciaga we buy now 800 or something. 17 years. Not be the rest when they buy. The most expensive shoe when you don't buy when they 17 years. Balenciaga now 850. He use and finish. He give am to his sister. He buy another one again 900 or something. You get one way Dior when they upstairs 7 something. Now they buy am. They come they talk to me. Let your children go and look for something to do. Intimidation, everything. Even your children say they intimidate them with useless life when they live. They don't get where to play. They don't get where to pass. They're not free for their house. They don't they follow you, they do. And when they follow you, they do. They don't like them. Just you be their mother. They don't feel they confront you in front of Facebook. 17 years. My daughter don't they buy shoe of 1,000 euro. When you go buy AliExpress, wear your pikin last week. AliExpress slippers when you wear remain. When your pikin be 17 years. Come here. Come Holland. Shoe when they day 17 years old girl leg. They will wear 1,000 euro shoe. Wear 800. 600. Come here. Now shoe. Now let that land children. No. Say yes. Shoes. Come. Now you go they talk to me. Now they say, lovely, I will bring your children, come on. Lovely, I will bring your children, come on. If my pikin come on, my pikin go pull left for ground like this. Only the shoe where they my pikin leg. You yourself, you don't show your pikin again. I don't got to bring my children, come show you. Now the things when they wear, now go show you. Very stupid woman. You told that you are full of intimidating. How can this something when I hear this thing, this something called they boy me. I be not one comment for video the second time. Say no. A whole woman of her own. You are not feeding her. She's not under your roof. You don't take care of her. Well, okay. What do you want? You want her to be afraid of you? Is that what you want? Don't talk. Shut up. Who are you, by the way? Because you did Facebook, social media, dear. The day when social media go close now, you don't do ordinary ground. As you say, they fall, they go, they tumble. We, if Facebook fall, I see stand gidigba. All the time, they roll, they fall, they roll. The day when Facebook come in, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't have road to apologize. You know? Go a fuck. Oh, what boy? Is that not that woman that was on her car with Asaboro? Now you won't come bully a woman of herself? Woman that know the quality of her fellow woman. Eh? When a little rat is so then, it do pay. Where I'm your response, no responsible, no let the value. When you see this woman, you say, yeah, this woman. You go say, sister, not talk around. Just like that time, years back, when you be one come fool yourself. What did they tell you? They say, that woman not talk to Rambo. You see, come. And you say, na mama that they call Rambo. She the papi people enter abroad. She be manyan show. That they thief car for street. That they push car, they go house. She they push car. Not be she got tell na say, with the shift car go house. Not be na matuna for year. Say at the thief cars. They push and go house. Now say, don't be only car. I thief. Italian this thing. That woman, she's too big to even tolerate this your cook and boot story. I they come for you. The day when I go polish myself, I they come for you. May I come sit down. If I make her finish, I go sit down. When you know say yes. Now my way get class. Now I follow you sit down. When class so fucking low class, giving you viojo. AliExpress. AliExpress, whether na Express or they call them B Express. Now you take be quality woman, you wear rags. A rag you wear viojo. See her when they your hair. She can't even maintain her hair. He says she be stylist. Anytime when your hair they come, your hair go they make boo 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 boo. You be like waiting electric shock. So naive. She's so naive. This woman don't know anything. Oh, she don't know anything. If she knows something, she not gonna behave like this. She don't know anything. Now, woman, when you know the worth of a fellow woman, if he stand, if they reach where the two of them stay, when this one will watch this one, which one will watch, say, yeah, this woman, she's capable the way I am capable. Bring her hold it down. Oh, who no man see, oh, who I now they bring the fellow woman down, or how you obey, or how you no condemn me. That is your mission. You condemn people that is helping you. Or man, you condemn them. Because why? You did Facebook. For your mind, say, nobody look at anything again. You be naughty right from time. I don't look you at something. The time when they beat your pikin that day, now they pay me for body. They tell me go bring DNA test. Because you not rich. You not rich. 2 people now. Now you don't bring on Facebook on saga. Mama was at all with wait that they call this lady. Mommy, you dey talk to. You don't know me. You dey talk to me. If I na me be very call up. Mommy, you dey talk to. Empty vessels, eh? They always they blow off. At the end of the day, they go empty vessels. That is how they behave. Who got pump. A real normal human being, if you want to talk to you, no go pump. Go see the way when your colleague is not your ex again, it's your colleague. See the way when they analyze, you say tomorrow not day. Go see him. I leave you alone. Now bye bye.